I welcome you today. It is my pleasure and honor that you are here. I'm just surprised by the amount of support. When I started this conference last year, this is the second year, by the way, I was just hoping for 50 people. I mean, that's all I wanted, to come together and put together a group where we could just talk about issues and challenges and brainstorm on solutions. And so, and I'll have to put this person and this sponsor on the spot really quick because it truly is because of them that we're here today. But I came up with this idea last year in 2012, and I thought, if I could just bring together the manufacturing sector, the business owners, the professionals, and everyone that cares about the manufacturing industry, then we could, as a team, we could start to come up with ideas and maybe not solutions in one day, but slowly work towards that goal. And so I had this idea in my brain, and I was at an event, and I thought, well, if I just see a banker and I sell it to them, and I get them to sponsor, I have a conference. And then who walks by? Robert Lagasse from Chase. And so I said to him, I have the manufacturing conference that is going to be next year. And Robert, I didn't have a conference. I had an idea. But when I said to Robert, it's a manufacturing conference, the first thing he said is, I'm behind it. Chase truly supports the manufacturing industry, and I want to be part of it. So thank you, Chase. You started it. And so the goal of the conference today is really, like I said, to come together to discuss ideas, solutions, to really discuss about the economy, the economic recovery, and really to just come together. I know there's a lot of business owners in this room today. There's a lot of professionals. There's the capital providers to come together and support the American manufacturing ecosystem, because without it, we're not successful. And so I truly respect the manufacturing industry because I have a certain affinity for it, because it makes us a better nation. We can't compete as a nation without it. So I thank you for your support, and I'm really, really happy to see a room full of you today that share that commitment. So thank you. I'd like to acknowledge our speakers. All of you took the time today to come and share your insights. Thank you very, very much. You're all industry leaders, and we look forward to hearing all the good stuff you're going to share with us today at the breakout sessions. And last but not least, obviously, like I said, this does not happen without sponsors. And I like to acknowledge every single sponsor that is here today, because you are not sponsoring a conference today. You are sponsoring a movement. You have chose to be part of something that is necessary, and you're standing here behind every business owner. You're standing behind their growth. You are saying, I am deeply committed to their success and to the success of the manufacturing sector. So truly thank you for that. And also to our educators, I know we have several of them today here from Camino College and CACT. I know you're at the forefront of STEM, and obviously, for those of you that don't know about STEM, it's science, technology, engineering, and math. And it truly begins with that. It truly begins with education. So I'm a huge proponent. And so I ask that today, you do not leave this beautiful hotel without a commitment to the manufacturing sector. And I've made my commitment. And when you see me out in the hallway, ask me what that is. And I definitely will be. You'll be seeing a lot more of me in the manufacturing industry. So thank you, and I ask you and I urge you to please make that commitment. If it's a business owner next to you, just commit to be behind their growth and to help them succeed.